people say to sell yourself, but your product or your service needs to resonate with your audience. I can't stress enough that you need to not only sell yourself, but also your business too. So develop your audience and we can help with that. Join our membership today and stand out from all that internet traffic.
Preview.
Well, now what you're going to get to see is a field trip that we took to the Manassas Olive Oil Company. And so do you want to talk a little bit about, real quick, before we segue to that, why you really wanted to film that? Because that was your choice. What was your motivation?
First of all, they're a great family. Amanda and Emily are the ones you're going to find in there. They're sisters. They work in there pretty much every day, all year long. They very rarely take a break, but they're veteran owned. And operated. The daughter did do some tours in Iraq. She is out of the military now. I believe she was Army. The mother and dad live in New York, but come down quite often. Okay. But they're just a great local olive oil company. They have olive oil, balsamic vinaigrettes, wine vinegar, white vinaigrettes, spices. And I hosted a networking event there with a bunch of ladies. Yeah, awesome. I didn't even know they did that. Someone referred me, so I contacted them right away. I said I would love to hold an event and kind of highlight you guys and talk about it. They did tastings in there. We got to sample. I brought in cheese and wine and crackers, and we just had a great time. They closed it down for us after hours and just... Excellent. Let us get our groove on.
So as you know, here on the Peace Entertainment Business Show, we are all about community building. We want to build with each other. We want to build you. We want to give you tips that you can use in your life and your business. And so this show, in a lot of ways, is all about us lifting each other up. So without further ado, let's go see more about the Manassas Olive Oil Company.
If you remember me, my name's Carla.
Hi Carla, it's Emily.
Good morning, Emily. My name is Sima. It's wonderful to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to Manassas Olive Oil.
Wonderful, thank you. Tell us more about your shop.
Sure, so we'll start over here. Here's our dark balsamic vinegars. So we have different flavors, but they all start off as the traditional dark balsamic here. So it's aged up to 18 years, so it becomes really thick and sweet.
Oh,
yeah.
Wow.
So and then all the other flavors, they actually use the actual fruit or coffee to actually flavor it. So it's all natural color, flavor, natural sugar. There's nothing artificial. And over here we have our white balsamic vinegars.
Okay, awesome.
So these ones are aged a little bit differently. They're a little bit younger, so they tend to be more tart, but they're also sweet as well. And we have, again, a lot of different flavors. They're both really delicious. It just depends what you prefer. And all our vinegars do come from Modena, Italy, which is where the traditional type of balsamics come from.
What's the difference between the white balsamic and the dark balsamic?
So the main difference is how they're aged. The white balsamics are younger, so they cook them down in copper kettles. The skins come off of the grapes, so there's not as much fruit particulate in them, and they tend to be more tart. And the dark ones, they age them longer, so they age them in wooden barrels. So they absorb the color of the wood and they become really thick and sweet.
Okay. And you said they're made in Italy, so these come straight from Italy. You import them, right?
Yes. So all the our flavors and oils and vinegars come from all the vinegars come from Italy. Okay. And we filled these tanks here, and all the bottles are actually hand filled here.
Oh, okay. So you get them in
large. Correct. Yep.
In larger containers. Okay. Fabulous.
And can you mix them?
Yes, you can mix the oils with the vinegars to get different flavors for marinades and dressings. You can kind of experiment with a different taste. Anything sweet goes really nice with savory, so you can have a lot of fun mixing.
Oh,
yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it's really good. On this side, we have our extra virgin olive oils, and we have a couple of different like gourmet oils. So our extra virgin olive oils, that's just your plain olive oil. It's just the type of olive. So the names that they have is the variety of olive that it is. And all different olives have different taste characteristics. So we typically carry more mild to more robust extra virgin olive oil. And every 6 months it changes out, so it stays fresh. So this time of year we get the northern hemisphere olive oil, and then 6 months from now we get the southern hemisphere olive oil. So it's basically the freshest that you can get other than living on like an olive oil farm.
Okay.
So,
Awesome.
yeah.
What makes it extra virgin? What's that mean?
So it's just basically the olive is picked and crushed, and that's it.
Oh,
Nothing's added to it. The time they pick it and crush it is very time sensitive, and the olives you want to be good quality, and you don't want it to be like old, because that will affect the taste. All right, and then we have flavored olive oil, which is all on this side. So we have what is known as infused and fused. So the main difference in that is how it's flavored. So the first four olive oils down here, these ones here, rosemary, Meyer lemon, blood orange, and bacludi pepper, those are all fused olive oils. So when they pick the olives and crush it, they crush it with the fruit or pepper. So you're getting the direct oils and juices from the fruit to flavor it. And then all the other ones, so mushroom, sage, all the way down, those are infused, meaning they're flavored after the crushing process. So they're still using the actual oils from the herbs, fruit to flavor it. It's just a different way of adding flavor.
I wanted to ask about the art too, because it's a great way to support local artists or the local culture as well too. So tell me more about what's on the wall.
Yeah, so I'm an artist. And
Oh, how exciting!
Yeah, I'm a painter. So these are my flower series. I have changed out a few of them, but these are some more of the newer ones.
Okay.
And when I originally did them, and when we opened this shop, I was like, oh, these would actually look really nice in here. So
Right.
it added to the, I guess, the ambiance and the feeling of the
Absolutely,
shop.
it
So
does.
I really enjoy just having them hang here.
Okay,
Yeah.
fabulous.
They're for sale?
Yes, I do have them for sale,
yeah,
and if people ever inquire, but most people kind of just enjoy looking at them here, so.
They're beautiful.
Thank you.
Excellent. Yeah. This is all so fabulous, but I've got one burning question. When do we get to try it?
Well, we can actually try right now.
Yay! I'm so excited.
So one of our, we do a pairing of the month every month, so we could try that. So we're doing, we're doing garlic olive oil, which is this one here,
Okay.
and I'll get a cup here, and I'll fill one up for you, a little garlic. And then we're pairing it with Serrano honey, which is our specialty vinegar.
Ooh.
So I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil, and I'm just gonna put a little vinegar, and stir it. And then there you go, you can sip it.
Oh my gosh. That is delicious. I mean, I love olive oil, I love balsamic.
Yeah.
I buy them in the store all the time, and I've heard the difference.
Yeah.
But holy cow, tasting the difference is something
It's like
else
night and day.
entirely. Oh my gosh.
Hey, I want to try one. Can I try something, please?
Absolutely, sure. You can try the basil one. That one's really well received by customers.
Basil?
Yep.
Okay. I just take a cup and...
Yep, and then you just turn the spout towards you a little bit. There you go. And then that one pairs really nicely if you want to pair it as well with something.
Oh, that's smooth. I never thought I would just be tasting oil.
Yeah, that one's really nice for caprese salads and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's yummy.
And that one pairs nicely if you want to put some strawberry vinegar in there.
Strawberry vinegar.
Yeah.
Show me.
Over here.
Got a little bit left in my cup. Oh, okay. Strawberry balsamic.
So I'm just putting some in. Yeah.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, it's good,
Oh,
right?
that's tasty.
It's nice.
I like that in the vinegar. So tell us a little quick blurb about some of your other offerings.
So we want to offer things that people can also use with cooking with olive oil or
That makes
vinegar,
sense.
and also things people can gift as well.
Excellent.
So in our shop, because we are family owned, my mom has her pottery here. So we have a variety of like dipping dishes and bowls and jars that can be used with cooking or any, as a type of accessory.
Wonderful.
As well, yeah. And then we also offer cooking spices that people can use for their bread dips or as rubs for marinades.
And I assume your spices are probably cut above what you'd get at the grocery store as well.
Right.
Yeah.
They're low in sodium, and they have the actual herbs and spices.
Excellent. So show us what else you have here.
And over here we have some olives. We have 5 different variety of olives. They're all Spanish olives, but they all have
olives?
they all have different flavors with them, so they're really delicious.
Excellent.
And then we also carry olive wood products like spoons.
So that's why they're olive wood.
Yeah,
Okay.
yep, we're in Tunisia.
Okay.
And cutting boards and stuff like that.
They're
Excellent.
beautiful.
Awesome. And I see there's at least a couple more things we have.
Yes.
Let's take a look.
And then here we also have some local honey. My sister Amanda, who's one of the owners, she has beehives, so this is some honey.
Excellent. So it's a total family enterprise.
Exactly.
I love that.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
Over here we carry gourmet sea salts. So we have the Himalayan pink sea salt, but we also have other blends of flavors like garlic, lemon twist, sriracha. So we also just add a lot of flavor when you're cooking, and sea salts have natural minerals in them, so they're better for you when you cook.
You know, one of the things we're brought us here today is really collaborating and building each other's businesses within the community. And so I know Carla has a little bit of experience working directly with you.
I do. I remember I did a networking event here. I brought in 11 ladies.
Yes.
And we
exciting.
had, we sampled cheeses and mixed them with the balsamic vinaigrettes and the oils. Had a
Wonderful.
little bit of wine. And we did all
Okay.
the tastings. But it was great. It's a bunch of the ladies loved them so much they bought some oil.
Yeah. Oh, yay. Excellent.
It was fun. It was a nice
It was a lot of
group,
fun.
and
Yeah.
they
But
really
you
enjoyed
do
it.
more than just, I mean, I didn't even know you held events. What other events do you hold here?
So we have our store open to like private tastings. So we've had church groups, book groups, even just people with friends who want to come after hours typically, and they can bring their own wine if they want. They can bring their food, have a meeting, and then we can provide some foodstuffs too. And we go over our products, you know, how you can use them, why we differ from like grocery store products and
Right.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
So
Absolutely.
we just have it open for people to kind of experience it as well.
Okay. And what about the paint nights? I understand you do something of that nature?
Yes, so I started holding paint and taste nights where I'll do a painting, a subject, and we'll paint step by step. And in between, we'll stop, take a break, and taste our oils and vinegars with some like bread and cheese and stuff like that, talk about our products, and then we'll finish our painting. So it's been fun. People really enjoyed creating a masterpiece.
Phenomenal. Yay.
Love that.
So I do too. That sounds like a great collaboration. Exciting. Yay.
Here you go.
Well, thank you so much, Emily. It was so wonderful to meet you, and thank you for having us in your beautiful shop.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, audience. You really have to come and see this amazing place.
Great. Thank you. Thanks, Carla. Bye. Good day.
Bye-bye.